headphones, you're going to be able to hear the dialogue as well as all those effects coming through, which you couldn't have had with this receiver if it wasn't calibrated properly. That's the importance of the calibration.
I appreciate that. That looks great.
This next part's good if you turn it up a little bit.
Dolby Atmos. Audio can precisely move in any direction within this theater. Whether the sound sweeps from the back, to all the way in front, arcs overhead, almost anywhere in between. Today, you feel every dimension. How's that sound?
Now you're getting the full effect.
Perfect. It's about time.
Yeah, so these are the Klipsch Pro Reference Premier, the RP-6000s with two 10-inch subs, and he's running a Marantz SR6013 that we just installed.